Good morning, Debbie.
Good morning, Mom.
Oh my gosh, you've done a wonderful job on your Easter tree.
Transform the tree. Now it's Easter. So we've got some Easter eggs. I kept the roses. I kept the...
Guess we should start at the top and you can tell us all about it.
Yeah, so that is, I don't know, you brought that, Mom. I don't know where you got that from.
Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree.
$1.25.
I needed a topper for it, and that one was perfect. It's a little bunny coming out of a hat. Love it. And it says spring on it, so we can leave that up there for, a while.
Next month or two.
So again, I have my little Easter eggs. There's some picks. There's some hanging ones that started out as a, what do you call it? The long strand. Gee, I can't even think what that's called. Anyways, I took it apart and made them individual so I can hang them. And then I kept the roses on there and the gold trim. And then I just added some glitter. What is that stuff called? Oh my gosh, I can't even think today. I don't know, that glitter stuff. It made a huge mess. So I have a yellow one, a blue one, and a purple one.
And now you know why somebody got rid of it, huh?
Oh, it's horrible. Just as you're just unrolling it, there's glitter just popping off everywhere. So
that's why Mom doesn't buy too much of it.
That was a mess. So it turned out cute. I still have some more ornaments to put on there. So we might film it again when we get all more stuff on it, but for now
I love the Mackenzie Child flowers on it too. It really does add a lot of more contrast.
I wish I had more, but they're pretty pricey, so I try to put them.
Well, we only can do so much.
Yeah. And then you brought some Easter little baskets for the kids over to put under the tree, which is perfect because it was pretty sparse down there. So
now it looks like it's ready for Easter, doesn't it?
So the kiddos can come over and get their Easter baskets and see all of our pretty displays that we put together.
Yeah, but I'm going to try to get over here when me and them come over to make sure that they get the baskets I made for them. And
they're in specifically for each kid?
Well, hopefully.
Oh.
we'll see how it works out. But, I mean, some of them, I have 3 boys and I have 3 girls, Mm-hmm. So there is a difference. I think but I already see maybe not. I think all the girl ones have the fuchsia eggs in them. I'm counting to see if there's 3 fuchsia eggs. Oh, it's over there. Okay, yeah. The ones with the fuchsia eggs are for the girls, and the ones that have the blue and green are for the boys.
Oh, okay.
So, and then the girls got the purple peeps, and the boys got the blue peeps.
Oh, so when they come over and start eating them, they'll have purple mouth and a blue mouth.
Yeah.
Those are cute, though. The little baskets turn out cute, and they fill that area really well. So. And
I spent about $5 a basket.
That's not bad.
That was a little extra candy left over. I brought that too for we could share.
Oh.
Yeah. And there was a couple other things that I had extras, and there is a limit to how much I want to spend.
Yeah.
So they ended up $5 a basket. So I didn't think that was a bad price.
Oh, they're cute.
Yeah, I really like them.
You want me to pull one out so you can get a closer look?
Sure.
Let me come on the side here. How about if I take this one?
And each one of these is made different too. And believe it or not, those little bunnies are erasers.
They're cute.
Aren't they cute? Now there should be a little thing in there that makes stamps. Each one of them got a stamp. Here, let me stop it and see if we can find this. I wanted to share with you how cute these baskets turned out. They were like $5 for the basket, the candy, the little eggs, and the little bunny eraser. And then this here is a little truck, and it's a little stamp. And each one of the great-grandkids got a little bunny eraser and a little stamp, and all of them got some candy. And I thought they turned out pretty good. Let me know what you thought. We're all working on budgets these days, and nobody has a lot of money. So we do the best we can with what we have. Hope you enjoyed this video please give us a thumbs up, and please consider joining our channel and our family if you're not already following. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie. See you in the next video, my dear. You can see Debbie has added a lot more pieces to her tree. These are really cute little bunnies, are they not? Well, here's one of Debbie's projects she's been working on.
Well, it's not really a project. I'm just transforming something, not transforming, but changing it up a little bit. So I got these little rabbits, which I want to put on my tree, but I don't really like having this string. So I'm removing the string and I am hot gluing this cute little bow on, and I'm just gonna set this on my tree. So it doesn't really need a hanger, it can fit in there.
Yeah.
But doesn't it look better with a cute little bow?
That looks really cute.
So cute. So I've got all my rabbits arranged with their corresponding bow, and now I'm just going to hot glue each one of them until I'm got them all done.
And then we'll go see how it looks on the tree.
Yep.
Here's Debbie putting those little cute bunnies with the little bow she put on them on the tree now. She's just laying them in there.
Well, the first one was went on just fine, but this one was acting up.
And she's a lot taller than I am, so she can reach up there. I'm a shorty. Well, that sort of matches the little guy up there almost, doesn't it?
Oh.
Well, as you see, Debbie got all finished, didn't you, Debbie?
Well, there's a couple things missing, but it looks pretty good.
It looks pretty full now.
If I put too many more things, it might just be
cluttered.
Yeah.
And everything looks
Just
beautiful.
love the little check bunnies.
Just love it. And I thought doing what you did, adding the little bows, added a lot more to it also. And I really loved it. A+ for Debbie.
That tree is really turning out to be very versatile.
It is. I'm really enjoying it.
I love it.
Well, I think we're done with the tree for Easter. Now, Debbie's got some more stuff she's going to share with you tomorrow. So make sure you come back and see what other awesome things she's done. And give her a big A+ for this project.
Happy spring.
Happy Easter!